Hello everyone and welcome to the Stimulsoft YouTube channel. For the best viewing experience, make sure to set the video quality to 720 or higher. Today I will show you how to embed a report viewer in an Angular application. You can open an existing project, but in this video I will create a new Angular application. Create a new project using the ng-new command. Go to the project folder and install the Stimulsoft reports.js Angular package. In this example, I delete the app folder. This step is optional. Add a new component, for example, my viewer. Import component from @angular/core and viewer from the Stimulsoft package. Add the component and define the selector, imports and template properties. In the template, define a report object for the viewer. Export the component class with a constructor. Define a report property in the class. In the constructor, create a new instance of the StiReport class. In the main.ts file, import the MyViewer component and pass it to the Bootstrap application method. In the index.html file, add the MyViewer component using its selector. Run the project. The report viewer will now be embedded in the Angular application. As you can see, the report viewer will start without a report or dashboard. Stop the project. Add a report template to the project, for example, an invoice. To do this, create a reports folder in the public directory. Copy the template to this folder using the command line. Open the component file. Load the template into the report object using the load file method. Run the project. Reload the page in the browser. Now an invoice will be loaded into the report viewer. By default, the viewer is not in full screen mode, uses the white blue theme and displays all controls. Define the viewer options property in the component class. In the constructor, create a new instance of the StiViewer options class. Set the black teal theme. Pass the viewer options to the viewer component using the options property. Save the changes. Go to the web browser. Now the viewer uses the black teal theme. Enable full screen mode. You can disable buttons on the toolbar, for example, the Save and Open buttons. You can also disable specific commands, for example, the Export to PDF command in the Save menu. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like our video and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye!